What is electrolyzed water? What are the benefits of hypochlorous acid? And why do I need to use iodized salt? Let me answer some of your most asked questions about the 99. What is electrolyzed water? Well, this is electrolyzed water. With just water and table salt, it goes through the process of electrolysis, which then creates a solution called hypochlorous acid. That is the technology behind the 99. What are the benefits of hypochlorous acid? Well, since it's a great, versatile, non-toxic cleaner, there's so many different ways to use it. You can use it for sanitizing, disinfecting, and killing odors. It's pet safe and safe around to use your kids, so you can spray it on their toys, your dog bed, your home gym, kitchen countertops, in the fridge, anything that needs a little sanitizing or deodorizing. What kind of salt do I add? The 99 should be used with iodized salt specifically. It charges the positive and negative ions through the base, and that's what creates the correct solution of hypochlorous acid. Other types of salt, such as sea salt, pink Himalayan, will not create the correct solution. Do I need to add vinegar? Vinegar does not and should not be added to our 99. Other brands of electrolyzed water may require vinegar to neutralize the pH, but ours just requires salt and water. What concentration of hypochlorous acid does it create? It creates a concentration of 100 parts per million. This stays active and most potent for 3 days or 72 hours. After that, you can recharge it by putting it back on the base. You don't need to make a new solution every time. To create your solution, all you need to do, fill it with water, just half water, your 1 little scoop of iodized salt. This is the scoop that comes with the packaging. Just put it in there, put the lid on, give it a shake, and you put it on the charger. This will charge for 16 minutes and then your solution's all ready to go. Well, there you have it. I hope I answered all of your questions. If you have any more, please be sure to visit our website.